What is good, YouTube? I hope everyone is doing great, staying clean, staying safe, taking all the necessary precautions that you need to. In today's video, we are going to drop the Audi off to get the grille painted and that clear coat spot painted as well. I talked about that a little bit more in the last video, which I'll have the card or whatever link up here. But yeah, I had actually already recorded the footage of me going to the shop and talking about it, but since I can't really edit 4K on my laptop at this particular moment, I'm gonna have to redo it. So I had went last Monday to get a quote for both the grill and the clear coat spot from a guy that we've done work with in the past. And the quote that he gave me, I was like, yeah, I can't pass it up. And then that spot is going to get worse over time, as you've seen. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and drop that off today. So yeah, technically it's not a clickbait title, because I am saying goodbye for a few days at least. Are you guys liking this view for the videos and whatnot? If so, leave a comment below. If not, leave a comment below. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for this stuff to be like under control, under wraps or whatever, because man, I am missing my car shows and car meets and cruises, rallies and all that type of stuff. Man, I'm missing all of that. You never know how much you'll miss something until it's gone, which it's so true, and it's proven every day. But it's just like, dang bro, who would have thought in 2020 that this world would be going through something like that? It's crazy. It really is, but I mean, that's life, is it not? Alright guys, we are here. So I will continue this video probably when I pick up the car in a couple days. So yeah, hopefully this stuff turns out right, which it should, because we've had work done with him in the past, like I said. So I'm not too worried, but I'm just worried about how that grill is gonna look painted flat black versus the plastic dip. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so one last walk around.
Three days later.
Today is May 14th, and I actually just picked up the car from the shop. It took a little bit longer. As you know, I dropped off the car Monday morning, this past Monday morning, and it is now Thursday, May 14th. But the reason for that, for the car taking a few extra days, is the paint, the clear coat spot, he said it didn't give him any issues at all. However, the grill was kicking his ass. But he said some of the products that he was using apparently is not as strong as it used to be or something like that, because he said if he applied it once, it would come, clean off. But however, with this grill, it wasn't coming off for some odd reason. And look at that ZL1. I went ahead and let him do the fog light grills, since he was down there and they needed to be touched up anyway. Those came out like the perfect matte black. However, the grill is a little bit shinier. It's like when you first apply tire shine to tires, it's that type of shine to it. But it looks good. I can work with it. I'll show you guys here in a second when I get back home. But I think I can work with it. It's a little bit shinier than I wanted. I wanted that flat plastic dip look, but it's not bad. I can definitely work for an amount of money that I spent on it. I'm not mad at all. I can definitely work with it. I just need to get a proper wash on this car, get the wheels back, because the car is so damn dirty now. But I'm happy, especially because I got that clear coat spot going. I'm so happy about that. Whew. We back in business, boys. We back in business. So here's the grill. I think it came out very, very well. Now look at it from like right here. You can't tell me that thing don't look, man, boy. And I got the fog light grills done down here too. Oh, the spot. I forgot about the spot. Can't even tell it was there, huh? I am so happy, y'all. I am so happy. I also got him to give me some touch-up paint. And I got a lot of it too. So I'm good to go on any spots that need to be touched up, which I do have one in mind. So yeah. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. What do you guys think about it? Drop a comment below to tell me what you think. I think it came out perfect. But yeah, peace out, guys.